So, Brookhaven updated recently, and it's the Lego update. This is my Lego avatar, by the way. And I already unlocked all the cars. Yeah, I unlocked this one. Let's just try this first. I'm inside the police car. Yeah, I can smell siren. Come back here, bro. I know that guy has warrant of arrest. Ouch. Where's he? Just became the firefighter instead. Bro, I may lagging. I can still siren. This is wet. Let's just try the last one. Constructor. Because I'm the builder, man. Grab on. Bro, I'm literally here. Is there another buttons? I think so. Bro, it smells so bad. I'm about to cough. I think there's still dust on my mouth though. Anyway, let's pick this one. I'll just speed up. Not sure. Anyway. I can still speed though. I'm not sure what happened, but just drove on a straight line. Anyway, let's just come here. Wait, let me type 1. Oh, it became 10. Oh, I literally passed. What just happened? I'm not sure. Okay, let me just pass right here. I can speed up. I want the lights though. Oh, I get it, I think. I'm just passing out of nowhere. Let me get out of here and go to house. Let me build the house. Let's just wait. Anyway, let's build it. Why is this so luxurious now? Let's go up. Maybe there's a safe. For sure it's not, yeah. This is now very luxurious. Oh. Why are there zero food on the fridge? This is well weird. Wait, you can type here? There you go. Anyway, there's my name. You open the garage. Then put a car. Not the Lego ones though. Let's put this car. This looks like Lego though. Wait, where is it? Oh, it was there. Let me drive it. Wait, is it locked? Yes. No, we are actually going faster than expected. Did my classmate just join me? Anyway, let's delete the props. Let's teleport to spawn. Oof! How can I build them and die? Bro, am I peeing or pooping or farting? Where's my friend? What you doing, Sammy? I want an Odin Din Din. This is my friend. Hi. Bro, I literally emoted. Oof. Bro, why are there so many gunshots right now? Guys, shut up. Shut up, guys. Bro, I misspell. I'm scared. Let's just say There's some of my outfits though. And I'll be the rich guy. Wait. Let me get one. I will throw you guys balloons. Wee! I'm not scared of gun anymore. This balloon is just popping yours. Anyway, let me just throw this to Steve. Hey Steve. I can see her right here. Let me recharge my water balloon. Let me also give him some. Come back here, man. You ain't getting away. I will drown you in this game. Oh, he's already escaping. I'm here. Ouch, I just drowned. Come back here, bro. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe. Bro, I just shot at you. Bye-bye.